Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to redeem points in Citibank credit card. So the first thing that you'll need to do, of course, is have a Citibank account. If you don't, go to citi.com and make sure to go and open an account. And if you have an account, of course, you'll have just to go and log in into that account right away. Now, as an example, how to pay with your points or how to redeem you with your points, of course, in Citibank card. So as you can see here, pay with points. You've earned, as an example, your points, so treat yourself to what you really want. Eligible thank you members can use points in certain categories to cover recent purchases with statement credit, a simple way to put thank you points to work. So how it works. Basically, you'll have to log in as we said before. You'll have to log in. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create an account. And of course, you can log in either in the website or using the mobile application. Then you'll have to go to rewards. Once you're logged in, you'll find the rewards tab. Go and click on that. And of course, then rewards and benefits, then click on pay with points. And of course, you'll have to make a selection and get statements credits. So you'll have to select an eligible purchase, accept the terms and condition, and click on redeem your points. And your points, of course, redeem, and your points will be redeemed for a statement credits within 2 to 3 business days. And you can set up notifications on the Citi mobile app, and they will let you know when you've made a purchase that you can cover with the statements credits. If you don't have the app, you can download this right now if you want. And of course, here are the list of categories that is covered with the points or with the Citibank points. So there's dining, groceries, gas, clothing, etc. And of course, if you want to see the frequently asked questions, here they are. I'll show you that later. And of course, here you can go and click on cover recent like purchases. And here, of course, you'll be able to simply just log in and they'll take you away right into the reward and benefits page where you can pay for all of that. So as an example, the frequently asked questions, as you can see, what one of the questions that you may have, I'll just open the answers here and you can simply pause the video if you have one of those questions and read the answer right there. So as you can see, all of them right here. And yeah, that should be it. And as you can see here, you have shop with points. And as you can see, you can shop all of these places. You can even here see all the partners. And as you can see, you can look for wherever you want. As example, maybe you want to pay gas in here. You can go and click on it and see how you can redeem it for that specific company. Of course, an example, maybe you want to do it in Amazon. You can see how to do it in specifically for Amazon. So they give you the steps for it. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.